Money pull up, action, we are turn it up. Shot around the place and guess who I bring it up. Pull up, hot, 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 yeah we hot, hot. Bad girl there, then I whine it, pull it up. Money pull up.
Put the camera on.
Let me get my ID out.
Made a wrong turn. I need to turn around. Sorry.
Yeah, so we just wasted a bunch of time trying to cut traffic, and the map told us to take these turns, but we ended up at 2 military checkpoints to JBLM. Oh, you can just do what he's doing.
No, I don't need to get a ticket. It's only, it says 2 minutes, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. What is that?
So Oldsmobile is 0.
It looked like a Mustang, but it's not a Mustang.
Yeah, it does look like a Mustang low-key.
The front end looks like a Mustang.
Very clean EG hatch. I think that's an EG, but it's on its original plates. It's got to be a 1-owner, 6-digit plate. It's got to be a 1-owner.
Some old guy.
Damn. I wonder how long he's had it for. That's beautiful. Got some nice cars and stuff. But yeah. Over here we got this 300ZX. I think this is 300ZX. Correct me if I'm wrong. Got a bunch of Civics. This very beautiful but very rare Blue Flame GR Corolla. So this color was only offered for 1 model year as a special edition. I don't know how many they made, but they made a very small amount of these in this color, and it has a matte PPF wrap on it. I did talk to the owner. He was really chill about it. But yeah, very rare, super cool. Look at this M4. Dripped out in carbon under the hood. Everything is carbon, even the fucking strut tie brace. Got a Supra. New Nismo Z, which I don't really like them that much. Considering I was very harsh when I reviewed it online. But I like this one because it's actually got a stripe package on it. You can see the dual stripes with the Nismo logo. I actually like this one. It actually looks better than just the basic monotone one. But yeah, got a bunch of other cars around here. S650 EcoBoost, S650 GT. Look at this carbon hood on this Miata. It's very nice. Chris, they're handing out awards. Act mature. Damn it, Chris. Really, bro? So, they're giving out awards right now, and you didn't enter.
I showed up way too late.
True, we did show up late. We could thank traffic for that.
Are you going to the military base thingy?
Oh yeah, having to go to the military.
2 times, not once, but twice. Surprised we didn't get arrested.
I would have been allowed to, but you guys wouldn't have been allowed to.
True.
Or deported.
Yeah, you're deported. You would have been deported. You probably would have been arrested. I don't know about me.
I have my Boeing ID. I'll be fine.
I probably would have been arrested if anything. Ooh, RS5. Those Vipers, bro. You got 3 Vipers over there. So many cars, bro. Very good turnout, this one. Oh, and I got a bunch of bikes over there. Type shit. expect that.
Hey, sir. Sir, you need to pull over. You're driving erratically. You will not win in a Chevy Cruze. We know you missed shift.
Quit harassing the poor Chevy Cruze.
Line that bitch up. Line that bitch up.